In this video, we will revise lesson 3-4 and lesson 4-1. Use a related multiplication sentence to divide integers. In this lesson, we are going to divide integers by using the rules. Question number 12 is from lesson 3.4, page 165. Question number 1 till 12. 22 divided by -2 is -11. This is just the simplest division. What you have to do, again same thing, if both of them are positive, the answer is positive. Opposite signs, negative. Same signs, positive. Same like multiplying integers, dividing integers. So 39 divided by 13 is 3. Both of them were negative, so the answer is positive. 64 divided by 8 is 8. Both of them were negative, so answer is positive. Here one of them is positive, one of them is negative. That's why the answer is negative. Here same like multiplying, we will divide integers. -32 divided by 2. 32, half of 32 is 16, so this is -16. The question number 2 is m divided by p. P is -8. 8 1 times 8. 8 4 times is 32, so the answer is 4. Now p divided by n. 8 divided by 2 is 4 negative. Here f is -15 and g is 5. -15 over 5 will give you -3. H is 45. 45 divided by 15. Both of them are negative, so it will be +3. H over 6 means -45. Sorry, H over g. -45 over 5. 5 9 times is 45, so the answer is -9. Divide rational numbers, convert fraction to decimal equivalent using fractions. In this lesson, basically we will see the rational number. What are rational numbers? All numbers which can be written in the form of a fraction are called rational numbers. Here we will write the rational number as a decimal and we will see is it repeating or non-repeating, terminating or non-terminating. In this lesson, you have to write the fraction as a decimal. How you can find? You have to keep the numerator inside and divide with the denominator. So we cannot divide 5 with 8 because it is less. We will put a decimal point. 50. Now 8 6 times is 48. 2 is left. With the decimal point, we can add 1 0. Now 8 2 times is 16. 4 is left. With the decimal point, add 0. 8 5 times is 40. If the answer will end, we will say that this is terminating, and if the answer is never ending, we will say non-terminating, as it is 0.222. Repeating, it is not ending, so we write it as 0.2 bar. It is never ending. You have done all these questions with the proper working on your book and notebook. You can take help from there. Same thing, if it is negative, the answer will be negative. If the question is positive, the answer will be positive. This is just the continuation. Here you will put 9 and divide it with 22. Again 0.0, decimal point 0. Now 22, 4 times is 88. Now 2 is left. 2 is even. We can put one decimal point, but still we can divide it that 20 is less than 22. When we have to add one more 0 here, we will add 1 0 up and 1 0 down. So it will become 200. Then we will try it with 9 times. Then 9 2 times 18. 1 carry, so it is 198. Again 2 will be left. So 1 0 from the decimal point and another 0 we will take from our side, so we will keep 1 0 up and down. So it is -4.0909. Sorry, it is -0.40900909. So which number is repeating? 09. So there is a bar on 09. Same method you can try solving next questions. Similarly, you can solve this question. Here you have to focus on the keywords. Write a fraction of student who prefers strawberries. So the strawberries percent is 9/30. So you have to write 9/30 as a decimal, that is 0.3, and it is a terminating decimal. Then for here we took strawberries, here we have kiwis. So for the kiwis the percentage is 1/30. As a decimal it is 0.03 bar, non-terminating. 3 will be keep repeating, so this is non-terminating decimal.